Ensure the door is fully open to give you ample space to work. Use a screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the temperature control box. Carefully remove the control box to gain access to the connectors. Locate the red and white wires associated with the LED strip and disconnect them. Using a pick tool, disconnect the wire connections from the temperature control knob. This tool will make the process easier and more precise. Gently pull out the temperature probe from the back wall of the fridge interior. Remove the 2 small screws from the back of the LED light strip. Then remove the old LED light strip. Line up the screw holes of the new LED light strip with the temperature control box. Screw the new LED light strip to the control box. Reinsert the temperature probe into the back wall of the fridge, ensuring it is properly seated. Reconnect the wires to the temperature control knob, ensuring that they are securely attached. Reconnect the red and white wires to the LED strip. Align the temperature control box with the screw holes on the ceiling of the fridge. Then secure the box in place by reinserting and tightening the screws.